Hi, so today we'll just be doing the statics problem, and we're asked to find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force. So first of all, we're going to sum the forces. So let's start with the force in x. So we already have 300 newtons fully in the x direction. And then what we're going to do is split the other two forces into their parts. So like this would be the x direction for the 400 newtons, and there's the y. And then same for the other one, it's the negative x direction and positive y. So to do that, we'll just be doing trig. So for the 400, it's plus 400 newtons. And we want the x, so that's cosine. And then the angle is 30. And then the 250 newtons is pointing in the negative x direction, so that'll be negative 250 newtons. And then, so for this one, they're giving us like a triangle ratio instead. So for this, what we can do is we know we have the hypotenuse. So like this. And then we're looking for x. So 4 is in the x direction. And then we can call this f. Let's just say f 250x. Something simple so we know what it is. And so basically the ratios will always be the same because you have this triangle, this small triangle right here, and you have this bigger triangle, and they're similar triangles. So same ratios, they're just different like magnitudes. So for this, we can do 250 newtons. And then what I'm just doing is moving this over here. So 250 times 4/5. And then we're going to sum the y next. So the 300 newtons has nothing in the y direction, so that one we don't have to worry about. So what we'll do is 400 newtons sine of 30. And then the 250 newtons is also in the positive y direction. So this will be plus 250. And we'll do the same relationship thing. This time it's 3/5 equals f250y over 250 newtons. So we'll end up with this. And then when you plug that into your calculator, you'll get fx equals 446.4 newtons. And fy equals 350 newtons. So now we need to find the magnitude. So we have the x and the y direction of the resultant force. So we can just do the Pythagorean theorem. So we could do f resultant squared equals fx squared plus fy squared. So then we get f 446.4 squared plus 350 squared. So then when you plug this in your calculator, you'll get 567.3 newtons. So we already have the x and y components of the resultant force. So to visualize this, we have fx, fy, and this is the resultant force. So we can find this angle here. So this is just trig, so we'll have tangent theta equals fy over fx. So then we can do inverse tan. Fy fx equals theta. And then we can plug this in. And then we'll get the angle 38.1 degrees. So these are our answers, and I hope this helped.